It's Sushi-chan! I hope you enjoy studying Japanese. Today, we will learn the possessive form. Let's get started! Today's grammar point is the possessive particle. When you want to describe A's B, you can use no particle. A's B is A no B. For example, if you want to say Yuri's bag in Japanese, you can say Yuri no bag. And also, you can use no particle when you want to say my plus noun, 私の your plus noun, あなたの his plus noun, 彼の her plus noun, 彼女の its plus noun, その their plus noun, 彼らの or 彼女らの or それらの For example, if you want to say, this is my bag, you can say, これは私のバッグです。And you can also use no particle when you describe mine, 私のyours, あなたの his, 彼の hers, 彼女の it, その theirs, 彼らの or 彼女らの or それらの For example, how can you say, is this dog yours in Japanese? Please try to say that. The answer isこの犬はあなたのですか? How about this one? How can you say, my dog's name is Ben? Please try to say that. In this case, you need to use no particle twice because this sentence includes my and dogs. So the answer is 私の犬の名前はベンです。Today's new words! Let's learn the new words which are used in today's lesson. In each lesson, I will provide you with a vocabulary section. I would recommend you to make your own vocabulary notebook so that you can write down new words and their meaning on it. Every time you study the vocabulary section. Bag, bag or カバン Dog, 犬 Homework time! Please review the possessive form and make several sentences using it. In the homework checking video, I will test if you understand this important grammar point. See you next time! Bye bye!